Shipping a car from Dubai to United States of America. Shipping a car from Dubai to the United States of America may seem stressful, but with the right preparation and knowledge, it can be a smooth and stress-free process whether you're moving to the United States permanently or just temporarily. You'll need to ensure that your car complies with regulations for non-conforming motor cars to avoid any legal issues. When considering shipping a car from Dubai to the United States of America, it's important to consider the various factors that can impact the cost and logistics of the process. One of the biggest factors is your chosen shipping method, as several options are available. One popular option is container shipping, which involves loading your car into a container that will be loaded onto a cargo ship. Ultimately, the cost of shipping a car from Dubai to the United States of America will depend on various factors, including the size and weight of your car, the shipping method you choose, and the distance between your departure and arrival ports. It's essential to work with a reputable shipping company that can provide accurate cost estimates and helps guide you through the process. Call us today at 888-231-0113